In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan your QR code to get your rewards on Raid Shadow Legends. So all you need first of all is to get your QR code ready. So let's say as an example, you saw the QR code from a person video, or I don't know, you found it on websites or something. So all you need to do first is just get this picture of the QR code. Of course, if you have the option of like just screening it on your phone, then going like to your camera and scanning it and then scan it from there, that will be great. But if you don't have this option, you will need to like get it maybe in another screen, maybe on your PC, then scan it by your phone. So of course, when you actually do that, they will actually take you to their website, and from not like necessarily website, they will actually just take you to any browser, maybe your default browser on your phone. Then from there, they will actually take you into the Play Store to download the Raid Shadow Legends. So of course, when you scan the QR code, they will take you to the browser, then they will take you directly into this page. So of course, if you already have your Raid Shadow Legend on your uh, maybe PC, phone, maybe if you're playing it like in a simulator like me, so all you need to do, just go and open the Raid Shadow Legend and make sure to uninstall it first before scanning the QR code. So of course, if you have it, if you don't, that's already great. But if you do, as we said, just go and install it, then go and scan your QR code, as I said. Then they will actually take you directly into this, and when they take you into this, all you need to do is just click the install button from them. So when you actually install it, then when you go to the Raid Shadow Legend, you will just need to pass the tutorial if it's your first time. Maybe if you already have an account, just go log in into it and you will actually get your free rewards directly. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.